Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what we have here. We have, I don't know, you can't even see, but it is a bookshelf that we are going to assemble here. And it is going to be cool in my apartment. So I can put stuff in the corner. So it comes with a little basket, and then here's all the different pieces and parts. It looks like it's going to have a lot of parts to it. So this could take a little while. Take out everything here. Yeah, this could take a while, but we're going to take everything out, and then I'll probably assemble it here on the counter, and you guys can see it as I time lapse it or something like that, maybe, to make it a little bit more enjoyable to watch. So we'll see what we got to do. Let's see, where's the instructions? Were there any in here? Uh-oh. Ah, there's the instructions. There we go. That's what we're going to have to do in 9 simple steps. So we've got it kind of put together, and you can take a look for it. It's got a lot of different shelves, but then here we have the little drawer, so you can put some drawer stuff here, and it'll just kind of go and get really tall and go somewhere. And then you have to have these things on there to mount it to the wall to hold it on, so it, just so it won't tip over onto a child or something. But it's a really nice piece here. I just have to get off some of the sticky stuff from where some of the numbers were. But other than that, I like it, so thumbs up for me.